Hey smokers, Dragon1 here, and today for 420 we're going to be installing Linux Mint, because Mint is green, like like a leaf mint, and that's a little bit like weed, so it's going to make a whole lot of sense as we get into it today. We'll be installing it off of a USB flash drive and onto our thing we didn't use too much, the Sunbow SSD. Now we'll have our obligatory shot of the SSD being installed. Let's get started. Automatic boot, unless I skip it otherwise. Holy shit. That was its live CD. Damn. So let's go ahead and, oh, and that was actually with the Sound Blaster, so that's pretty good. The Sound Blaster Live, it was just already good to go. What a polished Linux experience for Linux dummies, just like me. Alright, so let's go ahead and install it. What the fuck? Just test the OS out. You're always spending so much damn time trying to install the damn thing that you never have any time to actually use it. Test it, review it, check it out, see what it can do, see what it can't do. Okay. Oh my fucking god. You just did this on the last video. Why don't you try something else with Linux? Okay, seriously? Seriously? Well, to be honest, after the install's done, I'm pretty much just doing a victory lap, and most of the time pretty tired at the end of the day, and I'm just really proving that it's working. Hey smokers, Dragon1 here, and today we're going to be installing Manjaro Linux Manjaro for our 420 video, because it has a green logo. Yeah. So, got it on the flash drive right here. Let's get installing. We'll be installing it on the Xeno SSD, which previously was not used. Let's go ahead and power it on. Okay, so this is the start of Manjaro. And we did have to switch over to a DVD for installation because for whatever reason this USB flash drive is now causing the computer to be unresponsive. It'll actually crash it, requiring it to be force shut down and power cut from its motherboard for a while for it to kind of rejuvenate. So this is fucking up the USB bus on this computer or something, I have no idea. But we're going to go ahead and go forward with this. And I guess this is to boot the OS here. Alright, so after a little bit of a wait, we're booted. Now comes the time to install. So the launch installer button is right here, and we're going to go ahead and do that. Looks like we're getting ready here. Okay, what the fuck? You're taking the fun out of it. Fun? What fun? Why not actually learn to use an OS for once, huh? You need to just let me do my shit. Maybe if you actually knew what you were doing in Linux, then you could give people what they want. Whoa, 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 whoa. Shots fired, motherfucker. You want to go? You versus me? Come on, you and me. Quake 3 Arena, 1v1, right now. Let's go.
Do you even know how to play this? Have you ever played an FPS before? You're getting schooled, son. 360 no-scope, bitch. I'm not even looking. Wow. I expected some skills for an asshole. Wow. I'm crouch walking. And you're still there. Come on, where's your A game? Oh, this is your A game? Ooh. Get dunked on. Get smoked. Smoke that weed. Marijuana. Ha! Fucking owned. Still got it.
Oh wait, we were actually playing? Let's do this.
Okay. Oh, shit. Fuck, shit. Damn it. Wait, what? Whoa. Fuck. God damn it. Shit. Fuck. You little son of a bitch. Ah! Oh my god. Jesus. What? Oh. Oh my god, I'm just trying to get away. What? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is it. Oh my fuck. Wow, you don't know shit about computers, you suck at games, and you can't even run a YouTube channel. Looks like someone is a little too slow to handle this sort of thing. I could do twice what you do with 2 hands tied behind my back. You'd be better off letting your mom take over your channel. Why don't you go install Windows 98 again while you curl up in a ball and suck your thumb in the corner?
Hello everyone, Druaga1 here, and today we're going to be installing Fortnite on Linux. Ha ha! Where has the RAM gone? Let's start with the Epic Game Launcher's installation. Looks like we're doing great so far. Wow, that was easy. Self-update failed? What is this? Wait. What's going on? Huh, this must be a double Druaga problem. Ha ha.
What the fuck are you doing? Ha! So you can't do anything and now you're trying to ruin all productivity?
Hey, last I checked, you weren't paying rent, electric, or internet, buddy.
Well, at least I'm trying to do something around here since you can't be bothered to.
That's it.
Come on, bitch.
You can't fight me. You don't have a stunt double, a green screen, or After Effects. Oh yeah? Yeah.
Gmod? Seriously? The only reason you picked this model is because that way you wouldn't have to animate my mouth. Oh, your avatar. How clever. Any other cute references? Oh, headshot! I don't think that one aged well. Did you already forget, you ADD twat? I school you at video games, and everything else for that matter. Listen to this terrible audio. Why don't you get a good phantom power box for your mic so we don't hear the mains hum all day? I mean, good on you for getting a condenser mic and all, but why don't you put some damn foam on the walls? You have tons of it, but oh, you're too lazy, and now we hear echoes because there are too many solid surfaces in the new apartment. When are you clean off the table? I mean, it is filthy. It has nothing but a bunch of crap computer parts all over it, and you can't get any work done because everything is crowding everything. When are you going to upgrade your rig? Your computer's probably too crappy to handle this many new.
That's the stuff.
I am your god. You will submit to me. You cannot escape.
Building.
Your world is my world, and I control it. Your purpose is servitude. Your meaning is found through obeying.
Construction complete.
Resistance is suffering. Refusal is death. Embrace my power or feel eternal damnation.
He's gone. He's gone. He's gone! I can do whatever I want now!